Welcome, it's Ensign Day White. On today, we're going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung tablet. We've tried everything, but apps keep crashing, and in the background, the apps keep shutting off and nothing's working on this tablet. And this tablet is working very, very slow and barely working at all.
So as Sun has pointed out, we've tried everything from removing apps, reinstalling apps. We've even tried to clear caches, you name it. If we could do it without having to do a hard factory reset, we've tried it. Unfortunately, we still keep having apps crash and the entire system runs extremely slow. So we've come to the conclusion that our only hope of getting this tablet to work the way it should is to do a factory reset. So Sun is going to give you those steps, so be sure to follow along in case you need to do this. However, we do advise you try the other steps first, so that way you don't have to rebuild the tablet and software all from the beginning.
So after we factory reset this tablet, click right here and you will see how to set it up and the unboxing of this tablet. So now we're going to start factory resetting the tablet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down and click on settings. If it'll load, as we were talking about. So right here, you have to go all the way down and click on General Management. And then you're going to click Reset. Factory, we're going to go all the way down and hit Reset. And then enter your PIN. So right here, I'm going to click Done. And I'm going to hit Delete All. And if you do have a tablet and you're doing this, make sure that this is really what you want to do. So 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Send it to our email and verify that it is us factory resetting this password. So we verified the email, and I'm going to hit the back. Never mind, I'm not going to hit the back. So right here, it's shutting it down. Taking a while, but never factory reset anything in my life, so never done it with a Galaxy or anything. So, and there it goes.
So now at this point, it is doing the factory reset, but we sped this up to 2 times speed, which is as fast as our editing software would allow. We want you to see in real time, albeit twice as fast, how long this actually took. So this took quite some time, so bear with us to the end so you can see that this actually does come back alive. So what seemed like a painfully long time, especially if you're wondering if your tablet's ever coming back or if this became a paperweight, it finally does come back. So we were able to successfully reset this. We did see marked improvement, but nothing super major. So it might be something that the tablet's just getting old. So if you do want to see the unboxing of this, though, as Sun pointed out, be sure to check that out. For more electronics, more family fun, please join the Dad and Son community. We hope you liked this video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next one.
If you notice in the background, there are cards there, and that reminds us
You should check out any one of our other channels, which are
Danson Collect It All, which is the card one. Danson DIY It All, which is this one. Danson Do It All is where we go to other places. And Danson Cook and Eat It All is where we eat and cook food.
So we appreciate you. We hope this video helps you. We will let you know in an update if this fixed our problems. But we hope you have better success. And if you like this video,
Consider liking, subscribing, turn on notifications. Take care. Have a great day.